got them toys, but they seriously just want to lay with me and be pet by me. They'll meow. And she's grabbing the phone. Little Nyx and Nocturne over there, giving herself a little bath. But Nyx is like non-stop grabbing me and telling me that I need to just pet her and pay attention to her. And aw. Oh my god, I love these babies so much. This is literally the best decision I have ever made. Just look at her little claws. I'm waiting for their colors to come in the mail, and I really hope that they fit, because I had to get the smallest colors possible in order for them to fit. Knock loves to lay on me. She'll just climb up on my chest if she's not close enough. And then this one, you like to have fun. She loves to climb and lay on my chest. Sister, man. Come on. Ah! She's playing with her collar. Just like the first time that she's come around to like sniff at the toys.
My room is different from the rest of the house.
So it's a clean, organized environment, not a cluttered environment as the rest of the house is.
At least you're starting to get toys.
You may never know whether Mark Reed along with.
Vas-y, encore.
Vas-y, il veut pas venir, hein. Je te dis, je suis devant les rayons.
Hey, j'ai toutes les scénars. Oui, je sais.
T'as vu
Les scénars, frère.
Mais faut pas aller chercher d'ailleurs.
Mais quoi? C'est mieux, ils rachètent des nounours.
Ok, on note. Facturé un nounours à Ahmed. En plus, c'était l'édition limitée, ça coûte une dinde.
Franchement, tranquille.